Class 8, exercise 9.3, question number 1. Carry out the multiplication of the expression in each of the following pairs. First is 4p and q plus r. We have to multiply 4p by q plus r. So first multiply 4p by q. Put the sign of plus as it is. Now multiply 4p by r. Now 4p into q is 4pq. Put the sign of plus as it is. 4p into r is 4pr. Now 4pq and 4pr are unlike terms. So we can't add unlike terms. So on multiplying 4p by q plus r, we get 4pq plus 4pr. Now third part. Second part you will do by yourself. Third part is a plus b multiplied by 7a square b square. We have to multiply 7a square b square by a plus b. So first multiply 7a square b square by a. Put the sign of plus as it is. Now multiply 7a square b square by b. Now on multiplying 7a square b square by a, we get 7a cube b square. Put the sign of plus as it is. Now write 7a square as it is. B square into b is b raised to the power 3. Now remaining part of this question you will do by yourself. Remaining part of this question you will do by yourself. Now question number 2. Find the product. Find the product. Second part is x plus y minus 5 multiplied by 5xy. We have to multiply 5xy by x plus y minus 5. So first multiply 5xy by x. Now put the sign of plus as it is. Multiply 5xy by y. Put the sign of minus as it is. Now multiply 5xy by 5. Now on multiplying 5x by x, we get 5. X into x is x square, write y as it is. Put the sign of plus, write 5x as it is, y into y is y square. Now put the sign of minus as it is, 5 into 5 is 25 and write xy as it is. So on multiplying x plus y minus 5 by 5xy, we get 5x square y plus 5xy square minus 25xy. Any doubt in this question? Yes, any doubt in this question? Okay then. Part 4. Multiply 4p square q square by p square minus q square. So first multiply 4p square q square by p square. Put the sign of minus as it is. Then multiply 4p square q square by q square. square. Q square into P square is equals to 4. P square into P square is P raised to the power 4 into Q square. Put the sign of minus as it is. 4P square write as it is. Q square into Q square is Q raised to the power 4. Any doubt in this question? Now question number 3, find the product. First part is a square into 2a raised to the power 22 into 4a raised to the power 26. Now multiply this, multiply 2 by 4, multiply by a square into a raised to the power 22 into a raised to the power 26. 2 into 4 is 8 into, now here base is same, a into a raised to the power 2 into a raised to the power 22 into a raised to the power 26. Base is a, which is same, and powers are different but in multiplication. So we can add the powers. So 2 plus 22 plus 26. So 8a raised to the power 2 plus 22 plus 26 is equals to 50. So on multiplying a square into 2a raised to the power 22 into 4a raised to the power 26, we get 8a raised to the power 50. Now part 3. Multiply minus 10 by 3 pq cube by 6 by 5 p cube into q. So multiply minus 10 by 3 into 6 by 5 and p into p cube write together and q cube into q write together. Now solve this. 3 into 2 is 6, 5 into 2 is 10. So minus 2 into 2 is minus 4. P into P cube is P raised to the power 4. Multiply by Q cube into Q is Q raised to the power 4. On multiplying it, we get minus 4, P raised to the power 4, Q raised to the power 4. Yes. Is this clear? Any doubt in this question? Okay then. Question number 4. Simplify 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3 and find its value for x is equals to 3 and x is equals to 1 by 2. So first simplify the given equation, which is 3x into 4x minus 5 plus 3. Now first multiply 3x by 4x. Put the sign of minus as it is and then multiply 3x by 5. Put plus 3 as it is. Now 3 into 4 is 12. X into x is x square. Minus 3 into 5 is 15. X write as it is plus 3. Now 12x square, 15x and 3 are unlike terms, so we can add or we can't add or subtract these terms. Now find the value for x is equals to 3. Now put x is equals to 3 in the above equation. So 12 into 3 square minus 15 into 3 plus 3. Write 12 as it is. 3 square is 9 minus 15 into 3 is 45 plus 3 as it is. 12 into 9 is 108 minus 45 plus 3. Yes, solve this and type your answer in chat box. Solve this and type your answer in chat box. Yes, beta, solve this and type your answer in chat box. 108 minus 45 plus 3 is equals to. Very good, Ananya. Akshita, check your answer again. Yes, good, Akshita. So 108 minus 45 plus 3 is equals to 66. Now again find the value for x is equals to 2. Now for x is equals to 1 by 2. Put x is equals to 1 by 2 in this equation. 12 into 1 by 2 whole square minus 15 into 1 by 2 plus 3. So 12 into 1 by 2 whole square is 1 by 4 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So we get 3 minus 15 by 2 plus 3. Solve this and write your answer in chat box. Solve this and write your answer in chat box. Sanji, solve this and write your answer in chat box. Yes, on solving this, we get, very good Akshita, minus 3 by 2. Very good Anshika. On solving this, we get minus 3 by 2. Now question number 5, A part. Add P into P minus Q, Q into Q minus R, and R into R minus P. Now, put the sign of addition, P into Q minus P minus R, plus Q into Q minus R, plus R into R minus P. First, open the brackets. P into P is P square. Put the sign of minus as it is. P into R is PR. Put the sign of plus as it is. Q into Q is Q square. Write minus as it is. Q into R is QR. Put plus as it is. R into R is R square. Put minus as it is. R into P is RP. Now write like terms together. Write P as square as it is, minus PR and minus RP is our like terms. So write them together. Now write Q square as it is, minus QR as it is, plus R square as it is. Now write P square as it is, minus PR minus RP is equals to minus 2PR plus Q square minus QR plus R square. Any doubt in this question? Question number 5, part C, subtract 3L by L, 3L into L minus 4M plus 5N from from 4L into 10N minus 3M plus 2L. Write 4L 10N minus 3M plus 2L first. Now put the sign of subtraction. Then 3L, L minus 4M plus 5L. Now multiply or open the brackets first. Multiply 4L by 10N. So 4 into 10 is 40. L into N is Ln. Now put the sign of minus as it is. 4 into 3 is 12. L into M is Lm. Now multiply 4L by 12. 4 into 2 is 8. And L into L is L square. Now minus 3L into L is minus 3L square. Minus 3L into minus 4L. Minus 3 into minus 4 is plus 12. L into M is Lm. Minus 3 into 5N is minus 3 into 5 is minus 15. L into N is Ln. Now write the like terms together. 40 Ln write as it is. And minus 15 Ln together. Then minus 12 Lm with plus 12 Lm. And 8L square with minus 3L square. Now 40 Ln minus 15 Ln is equals to, write your answer in chat box. 40 Ln minus 15 Ln is equals to, yes, type your answer in chat box. 40 minus 15 is 25, very good, 25 Ln. Now minus 12 plus 12 is 0, plus 0. Put the sign of plus as it is. 8L square minus 3L square is 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5L square. On solving this, we get 25 Ln plus 5L square. Any doubt in this question?